watching WION. Now, for some people, winters is a treat to enjoy, but for the homeless in Delhi, it's nothing short of a nightmare. Every year, many NGOs and the Delhi government set up temporary shelters for them. But is that enough? WION's correspondent Jessica Taneja reports.
During the winter season, many people in Delhi can be seen sleeping on the roadside or in temporary shelters set up by the government or NGOs. Most of them are either unemployed or daily wage workers who struggle to make ends meet.
छोड़ते नहीं हैं, खाने के बावजूद ही नहीं छोड़ते हैं और बैक साइड में नशा करके आते हैं, सो जाते हैं तो सुलाना पड़ता है। ठंड की मौसम है, बाहर सोने नहीं देते हैं, बाहर से बात सुनते हैं, तो बाहर में क्यों सोने देते हो, कम्बल दरी जब दे रहे हैं मैं सोने के लिए, तो अंदर में सुलाते हैं सबको लाके।
Reports of such people succumbing to the cold, dying on the streets are common during this time. But rather than fixing the problem of the homeless, local governments announce new initiatives. NGOs say the same cycle is repeated every winter. Add to that the complete lack of planning in addressing this issue.
We need to work to provide all the homeless in Delhi something different, a new hobby probably. They have nothing in life. They have no aim, no objective. We need to form a team, the government, all the NGOs, they all have to work together and start giving them something new so that they start thinking about changing their own life.
Women in these temporary shelters face other troubles. They complain of misbehavior by men, lewd comments and attempts to entice them into taking or selling drugs.
बाहर हम सो नहीं सकते, बाहर कंगले लोग हैं, गंदे हैं, औरत पे बुरी नज़र डालते हैं, लड़कियों को छेड़ते हैं, फिर मैं इसीलिए इस रूम में रहती हूँ। यहाँ की सारी महिलाएं सब यहीं रहती है, कुछ ऐसी लड़कियाँ जो बाहर रहती हैं।
According to the Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board, the number of homeless people is estimated to be 16,000. However, activists claim the actual numbers are much higher and issues of women's safety, drug addiction and sanitation have increased. This temporary shelter has provided many families a place to rest who've spent several years living here. But their problems range in variety and complexity. And for the homeless in Delhi, winters is just another reminder of their precarious situation. This is Jessica Taneja for WION in New Delhi.